What's up, y'all? What is today? Thursday. It's Thursday. So happy Thursday. Those of you who have been, well, first off, as you can see, there's a little bit of a change going on. I spent the last few days dog sitting for a friend, for a very, very good friend, and I'm glad she's a very good friend because what I went through was dang near nightmarish. Anyways, yeah, so I've been doing a lot of thinking and looking at my charts and still trying to minimize what I have. I have 5 charts that I look at right now, and I don't need all 5 of them. Will I stick with what I'm doing right now? Not 100% sure. You can definitely take this and use the different charts once you learn how to use them. You can take them and use them in lots of different ways. You don't need all 5 charts that I use. I would suggest a minimum of 2. 3 is a good round number. So for the students, this will be in the vault, and you'll hear the reasoning behind why it's very easy to move over from using, I can leave the 610 and the 4181 behind. Set them aside for right now. I don't really need them. Can I use them later on? Sure. Now, when I did take my screenshot of this, I did take it on the 610, even though I did not use it at all, because it was just easier for it to be displayed there in one screenshot. So you'll see that. I took 4 trades, 12.5 points today. It is, it was nice. It was pretty easy to see it. There was a few things that had me questioning a couple of things, but really as it goes along, you can really see what it's doing, and having that bigger, middle, and small picture is pretty awesome. It's pretty nice, and it actually makes the flow even better than it was before. Yeah, so I'm just adding this to the beginning. For those of you who've asked about Raven Hill, I would appreciate that if you still keep her in your thoughts and prayers. She's still hospitalized. It's pretty bad. There's a lot of things that were, from the airbags didn't deploy because of the way that the accident happened. So it broke her clavicle and ribs, and I think there was like a broken ankle and all kinds of things, but I know they were struggling to get her to talk for a little while. She ended up with a really high fever. They brought that down. I haven't heard any updates in the last few days because I've been a little unavailable, but thank you guys for keeping her in your thoughts and in your prayers. So I feel like this is recording really weird. So the sound in my mouth look a little bit off, but what are you gonna do? Anyways, let's really quick, I just want to put this puppy away, and I want to bring this over on the 610 so we can see what was done today. And I actually pulled off the this just to get it out of the way because it was in the way on all my other charts. So I pulled that off. First trade was a 2 points, and then the next exit was 3 ticks, 2 points, point, and I'm sorry, this was 2 points and a point. This was 2 points and then 3 ticks. 2 points, point and a quarter, 2 points, point and a half. And when you have it spread out like this, it's a little hard to see, and that's why I did not leave it on here, because it was just really jumbling up the words on there. and on the 1597. Whenever we're trading these, you know, this looks like it's really spread out and long, hard to deal with bars, but whenever you break it down on the smaller tick charts, it becomes much easier to see. So that is today's day. So that was 4 trades. That is 12.5 points, and definitely done for the day. But as you can see also, and I don't know why, since I set it up at home, I cannot move this 10946, so I'm gonna have to do some stuff with that in just a little bit and figure out what's going on. I can move the stuff around on the chart, but I just can't grab it and move it. It's very strange. I've never had that happen before. Yeah. Using these 3 tick charts, let's just go back here a little bit. You know, using these 3 tick charts, it was so much easier to just see what was going on when it came to these short trades. Anyways, so I just wanted you to see what it looked like today, because I have a lot of people who talk to me about, you know, obviously traveling a lot. It's hard to keep an extra screen with you. There is something new that's come out that folds out behind your laptop and gives you 2 extra screens, which I think sounds super awesome. I'm just worried about the durability for travel and things like that with it. So I wanted you to see that you don't have to use all 5 charts. This may become the norm for me. I may move it over to my bigger screen so I have a little bit more space to spread them out, but definitely it was fun. It was fun. So anyways, I'm gonna wrap it up, and then I'm gonna get it out for y'all. Even though this is normally at the end, I'm gonna do this at the beginning today, so you can see that those are the trades that I took, and I'm done. Time to roll out. Got things to do. So everybody have a great Thursday. I am definitely going to try and be around tomorrow, and we'll see how it goes. Anyways, hope everybody has a fabulous Thursday, and look forward to catching y'all on the profitable side. What's up, y'all? Doing something a little bit different today. I have been house sitting for, you know, my good friend for the past, since Saturday, house sitting, dog sitting. Last few days were kind of a nightmare because there was a 5th dog here, because they have 4. There was a 5th one here that we'll just say was having digestive issues. Okay, there may be some barking that takes place during this. It's all good. And right now I only have 3 charts. So I've got the 233, the 1597, and the 10946. Taking it down to these is absolutely fine. On the 610, we have the EMAs between here and here. The 4181, the EMAs are between here and here. So we can actually kind of ditch those charts and be all right. I am looking for a short trade. Let's see, not quite there yet. Oh, this is popping up pretty quickly. I know this is higher pivots, but everything's pulling back and really quite nice for short opportunities. So I'm just gonna wait here for a moment to see if I can get some signals on my 233 for the entry, and it does not look like it. It looks like it's gonna keep pulling back right now. Okay, hard close down. We're gonna give this one an opportunity. Let's see what happens. Reversal bar potential at the area here. It is slowing and rolling. We do have, wow, must be some news coming out about right now. Because I am not super used to using this though, I'm going to be just a little more cautious. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this all the way down here. I do have my finger on a close button, and I am moving this down to a break even. think we're going to exit this trade about now. Just watching this pop up, it could definitely push down from here. I also want to make sure that my volume is working, so I'm going to be right back. These MACD, okay, here's the thing. They're all at a space that could roll either direction, but we're going to go with this one. Okay. Wait, this is popping down, rolling off here. All right, behind this little pivot, it's still on the edge of that, the edge of the wedge. Oh, I can't lock it in there. There we go. Could definitely pull back here and keep going. Okay. Down. I'm going to go ahead and move this here at the break even. I know we haven't reached that. There we go. But it puts us 2 ticks behind this little spot. Now let's see if this is going to keep running. We're coming down to that low. Still going. I'm going to leave it right here. There we go. This is a lot of strength coming up. Watch this. I'm moving down to the break even. I'm going to go ahead and take the exit. Because these are starting to pop up and not breaking through that bottom Bollinger Band and trying to show us a reversal bar here. It may just keep falling from here, but yeah. So that's going to wrap up today for me. It's an hour of trading. I'm good to go. I'll have... You know, that wraps everything up. That's it for today. We're at an hour. I'm gonna you know, edit this, put a little bit in the front because it's weird today. I don't even know how my sound is because I'm using my regular mic, and I tried turning on the camera from here earlier, and you can't even see. The room is so dark in here. So I'll be home in about an hour. I'm gonna get all this done and get it out to y'all. So I hope everybody has a fabulous Thursday. Now that things have calmed down here, thank goodness. I'll be trading tomorrow as well. I should be, at least. But otherwise, hope everybody has a fantastic Thursday. Thank you so much for being here, everybody. It would be really boring if y'all weren't here with me, because then I'd really be just talking to myself, and sometimes I already feel weird enough talking to myself on here. So have a fantastic day, and look forward to catching y'all on the profitable side.